today we're going to be making unicorn chocolate chip cookies. And we have all the ingredients laid out. We're going to be using the mixer 2 times and spatula the rest. These are all the ingredients. They're used in order.
One.
Those are the unicorn things. So
this is super tiny.
This is butter. This is
white sugar.
White sugar. This is brown sugar. One egg. They're separate because of a reason. This is vanilla. This is salt and baking soda. This is flour, and those are the unicorn unicorn chocolate chips. Okay, so are you guys ready? Okay, let's get to it. So first we're gonna put in the butter. I've been putting in all these sticks. Okay. So
how about both of us?
If you need to, you can use the spatula.
I will use the spatula.
There's two. There's 2 butter sticks.
Put the spatula on that to scoop the rest of it off.
Okay.
Okay, first, so I use the spatula. You hold it with 2 hands so I can scratch it off. 2 hands, 2 hands.
Okay, what about, okay, I think that's enough.
Okay.
So we got the
You want to put the plate over there, and then the spatula can go on the plate while you're not using it.
put it over on the side. So the next ingredient is white sugar. Are you pouring in the whole bowl? Put the whole bowl in, Charlotte.
I will spill it.
Okay.
Now we're gonna have the brown sugar being used. Wait, hold on.
The spatula.
Use the beater.
Okay. I'm gonna use the beater first.
So put it in there first, yeah.
I got it.
This is gonna be a success! Let's see if the first time I use this is gonna be a success. Look good?
Okay, let me take a look. Take turns of those. You can each put in.
Okay, so you are going to pour in.
You're gonna put in the first egg, and I'm gonna put
You're
in
going to put in the egg, and then you're going to mix it a little bit, Charlotte,
with the spatula.
with the mixer.
Okay.
So we're going to have to help her out.
Lyla, you don't hold the bowl, okay?
Okay, I'll hold it.
No.
I think you have to come over here because the cords.
No, I will do it with
I'll
over here.
pull this up. Okay, ready.
Turn the switch up a little bit. It's going to be.
Good.
It's okay, just leave it right there because you're going to mix some more, Charlotte. Keep it over the bowl. Put in the other egg. And then since Charlotte's was a little shorter, you can mix it a little bit more, Charlotte. No, with the beater. With the beater.
Don't hit me in the face! Turn it off.
Okay, let me try and take a look at what we need to do.
Wait, that doesn't. This. What is this? The baking soda. Nothing
So
in
now
there.
you're using just the spatula. You're going to put in the vanilla and pour it in. And then use that spatula to get it all nice and mixed up. I think it should be Lila's turn.
Mix it. Mix all of it like.
I'm Charlotte. And this is what our successful cookies look like.
And then I can use this spoon to scrape some of the cake off.
You're fine right now. Yeah, there you go, Lyla. That's it. Scrape you on the sides. They're all mixed in. Okay, so Charlotte or Lyla, whoever's next, pour in the next one.
Charlotte's now.
I was just mixing and I put it down in bed.
Okay, pay attention.
My turn again.
Mix.
What did you guys just add to it?
Baking soda and salt. Because it kind of looks like we poured nothing in there. So basically right now what we're doing is we're mixing it up, and our successful cookies and the crazy mixer are good to go. I think it's good enough.
Okay, done.
So now let's pour in like half
Wait, hold on.
of that big bowl of flour.
Okay. And then Shot's
And
gonna
then-
pour in the other half.
Yeah, well, you pour in about half of it, and then we're gonna mix
So-
it.
Just a little bit. Okay, that's enough.
Keep going. Yeah, about half of it.
Okay, I think that's half.
Pour them a little bit more.
Good. Half.
Okay, now do I mix
Now
it?
it's Lyla's turn to mix, right?
Okay, I'm gonna mix. And then scrape some of the side off if you have to. Oh my gosh, you just got some out of the bowl a little bit.
Uh,
Give it a second.
you can pour some in.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay, try to scrape some off.
Okay.
I mix.
Hello?
I accidentally.
Okay, you got it. Just relax with it.
Okay, sorry, that was like, we poured lots of flour on ourselves, so. Excuse me. My clothes are covered in powder!
Don't worry. That's
At least they're still pajamas.
yeah. You want to just wear pajamas for the whole
Can you
entire.
help mix stuff the rest of the way, ladies?
I can mix it.
I'll help you get it finished out.
Pour half in and then I'll pour half
The
in.
same as the sugar.
Oh,
A half and half.
the flour. You're gonna pour half in, and then we're gonna pour another half in. And if we want, we're not gonna mix it up though. Oh my god. Oh,
What, Lyla?
you smell terrible.
No, I don't. Night perfume.
I smell. So, Shai, you're gonna pour in half.
Okay, you want me?
You're gonna pour in half.
Hey, hold on. Let me stand up that thing.
Don't pour all of it. Okay, I think that's. Okay, that's enough.
Okay,
Oh,
now do
now
we
we have
mix
to mix
it?
it.
But that was just you.
Mix it gently.
I let Charlotte. Actually, you did the second turn for putting in the flour, so you got 2 turns.
That looks so good. Then are we going to put it in into what?
So we heated the oven to 350 degrees, and now we're going to be rolling these that look like
And it
Play-Doh,
looks
and
like
we're going to be
this
putting them into balls that kind of look that are like this size, and we're probably going to be able to make like 12, but
Space it out a little bit.
So we baked the cookies for 14 minutes and at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and it made 58 cookies, and now we're gonna try them with some milk. I'm gonna try this one that has like none in it. Oh, yum. Good. Tastes like cotton candy.
I'll try. This cookie tasted so good. So, like unicorns, because these were unicorns chocolate chips. So, yeah, it tasted good.
What? I'm not done. We're gonna put the recipes down in the comments, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye. Bye.
Scrape on side of more of our videos.
Bye.